I am so excited to be here with Christy Wilhelmi. She has got a big job. We are excited to have her as moderator for our upcoming Authors Talk Gardening Book Party. Yay! And I have her
Woo-hoo.
here with me right now just to give you a little teaser about the big plans ahead. We're so excited for you to join us and find out more from these authors in the next and their books coming out this spring. So it's a perfect way to celebrate spring. And tell us, Christy, a little bit about you before we get started. I know we have big authors and their big messages for the season, but tell us about you.
Sure. So I am also an author, but
Yes.
I have a few books, gardening books and fiction. So I'm focused right now on my next fiction book that's coming out in 2026. More on that a little later. But
Yes.
the thing that people are usually coming to these author talks for is to talk about gardening. So that's what I have high yield, small space organic gardening, which is about small space gardening in vegetables, in the vegetable category, and then grow your own mini fruit garden, which is all about growing fruit in small spaces. And then I have Garden Variety, the debut novel, and that's set in a community garden. And then its follow up is Bolting to Seed, which has a murder in it. So there's that.
So
I've got,
fun.
yeah, and I have a digital compendium of the first 10 years of my podcast. It's called 400 Plus Tips for Organic Gardening Success. And that's broken up into seasons so people can kind of click through to the season they're in and view all the tips and click through to the suggestions there. So that one's digital, Amazon only. So that was a fun one.
Wow. Okay. So was it natural for you to go from gardening to writing to speaking, or did it go the other way around?
I kind of was I threw a wide net, I guess you could say, and I've been doing speaking, and my gardening business is about design and consultations and installing vegetable gardens for a living. So I've been teaching since, for 20 something years now, almost 30 years, and it all sort of flows together for me. I was always into creative writing, and so it just seemed I had Garden Variety in my head for about 20 years before it actually came out to the world. So yeah, it all kind of sewed together seamlessly.
Wow, wow. And so YouTube and then the podcast is where we can find you in your lessons, right?
Right. Yeah. So I started a YouTube channel a long time ago, and it was mostly because I kept getting the same questions over and over again during consulting and classes. And I thought, well, this should be a video. And then I could just send that to people when they have the same question. So there's like around 250 videos on my YouTube channel now, and the podcast I actually put on hiatus in 2024 so I could focus on a new project that I'm working on that I can't really talk about yet. But also,
Okay.
so yeah,
Well, we love our teasers, don't we?
yes, we do.
Yeah, so we are in a teaser for spring. So this is so exciting. You come naturally with tons of gardening information, which is part of the Authors Talk Gardening Book Party. So tell us a little bit more about what you'll be doing at the party.
Okay, so at the party, I'm going to be moderating, and it's happening on Thursday, March 12th at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific. It's free, but you do need to register and use the link provided in the comment section of this post. I plan to be interviewing four other authors, so it's Jenny Rose Carey, C.L. Fornari, Rhonda Fleming Hayes, and Pamela Hubbard. And we're going to be talking about all kinds of things because most of them are talking about flowers of one kind or another, but there's also some vegetable stuff mixed in there too. So we're also going to be doing breakout rooms near the end of the call so people can talk personally with the author of their choice, or they can hang out with me and talk about writing murder mysteries. They want to do that.
Okay, so you heard where to find out more about murder in the garden, or else whatever your gardening questions are on your mind this spring. So we look forward to seeing you. Be sure to register, and we'll see you soon.